You good? You need help? Is that your car? Yeah. Did the tire fall off?
Look like because my car, my younger son, he lost a job, so I let him use my car so he can go work. Then after that, he was going to park high, so he have an accident.
Oh my God!
So the whole front end, the high side, it's cost me to fix it $2,200. Control bar. So I thought if I put a new tire, but every time I put a tire there, it lost old tire. So they lost control. They cannot hold it. The whole thing come out.
Oh.
I can't even find one nut. The tire flew away there. I
Oh my God.
So what I'm gonna do is, I got another car, my wife. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna be traveling to Italy for 4 months, for a month and a half. So I'm just gonna park the car at home because I'm gonna spend about $5,000.
Yeah. Do you have a spare tire or anything you want?
I do.
I have a jack and everything.
Yeah, but I don't have the nut.
Oh.
They blow.
You want me to go get you some?
Can you?
At O'Reilly's?
Can you please?
Yeah. Cause I got to go there now.
You know what? Just. Well, let's try to see if we can get a nut. But I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Let me go look real quick.
Yeah.
Did you get the tire, or is it still over there?
It's still over there.
So he said his son was partying or something. Holy shit. That's... Oh yeah, it broke off, yeah. Dang, son. Oh my God. So maybe we can get him some lug nuts, and I'll just jack it up here and we'll put the tire on. He's going over there just to get the tire. He said the tire's still there. Oh my God. That sucks so bad. And, oh man. So, okay. I'll see if I can get him some lug nuts and we'll be right back. Oh yeah, okay.
That's actually...
Oh yeah. So what is this? What year?
It's 18.
2018.
21 is my wife.
Let me see. IG9. Okay. I'm gonna go grab some lug nuts.
Okay.
All right. Let's give it a try, man.
All right.
See what happens. All right. Hopefully these fit. See, this one's broken here.
Yeah.
But let me grab my jack. Yeah. Yep.
Fire protection plan.
Nice. Yeah, this jack is really nice. Let's see. Nice. All right, let me get my tools. All right, let's get the impact. She's buried, but actually no, I got this. I keep this baby right here. And then I got a 21. I freaking love helping people. Here. And then I got a battery here. I got the big boy 5.0.
The screw that was there, that was
The locking one?
the lock.
Yeah.
The pressure so much,
I saw that. Yeah. Can you hand me one more of those? Nice. So we'll probably only be able to do 4. Because that one, yeah.
Make sure the one with the last. That's good enough.
So did someone not tighten the tire?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let me go get my torque wrench and my air compressor.
I'm going to drive like a sprint.
Yeah, probably. Where are you going?
Probably.
I'll follow you. Okay. Right.
Much better.
Yeah. Either do it right or don't do it, right?
That's when you care what you do. Honesty. Yeah, that one completely.
So that should be good there. What? No, no.
Alright, so thanks a million. God bless you always.
Yeah, I'll give you a card. I'll follow you.
Please.
All right, we're just gonna follow him home real quick, make sure he gets there, and then we gotta go take care of our own stuff.
So far it's great.
Nice.
All right.
If you ever need anything, give me a call. I have a mobile mechanic business.
Oh, excuse me.
What was that?
That's excuse me. That's very nice.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hold on,
And
I
then
just call you.
if you scan this,
Oh.
it takes my Google page, and if you want to leave like a review or something.
No, I will. When my wife get home, she doesn't do that.
Yeah.
She's gonna take care of it.
And if you need help with any repairs, I do everything. So
Yeah, because I got problem in my back.
yeah,
My children, they fix all that for me, for the Mary, for the wife.
yeah,
And now we're going to be traveling for a month and a half.
yeah.
Italy.
And I'm here, so if you ever, I'm very close.
Pleasure. Thank you very much.
All right, take care, take care. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.